Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be uploading the profile image to Firebase. So let me start by explaining what we will be doing. First thing, we will be uploading the image to the storage. Then we need to update the fields inside the user. So we need to add a new field called profile image URL, where we got the path to our image inside the storage. Okay, perfect. And before we start coding, we need to integrate Kingfisher. It's a library for downloading and caching images from the web that we will need. So we will copy this. You will find the link in the description below. Okay, and here we will go to File, Add Package Dependencies. Okay, we paste the link. Make sure that dependency rule is up to next major version, and you click on Add Package. Okay, and that's all you need to integrate it. Okay, perfect. Then we will go to our component folder, circular profile image view, and as you can see here, we are getting the image from our asset folder. We don't want this anymore. We want the image to come from the web where we get it and cache it. So first we will import Kingfisher. Then here we will change this with kf image with URL, and we give it profile image URL. Okay, perfect. That's all we need to display and cache the image from the web. Okay, the second thing now is we need to go to our model, our mock user. As you know, the profile image URL, this one, Elizabeth, it's an image from my asset folder. We won't take images from the asset folder anymore, so it will be nil from now on. Okay, perfect. Now I will go to my profile view model. As you see, load image. I'm loading the image, but I know I need now to upload the profile image to Firebase. So let's add a function private func upload profile image, or let's call it update. I think update is a better name. Update profile image. Okay, we will get as argument UI image of type UI image. It will be async throws, and here we will call it, so it will be try await update profile image, and we will pass UI image as argument. Okay, now here, as you know, I don't implement the networking inside the view model. We will implement it inside the service. So here we will add a new file. We are going to call it image uploader, and inside the image uploader we are going to write, we don't need this anymore, we are going to write the code that will enable us to upload the image to the storage, which is the first step, as we said. So here first we will import Firebase, and we will also import Firebase storage. Then we will have struct image uploader, and here we will implement our function. Will be static func upload profile image. It will take UI image as an argument of type UI image, and it will return, it will be async throws, of course, and it will return an optional string. If some of you are wondering why upload profile image is returning an optional string, the reason is very easy. You see in my profile view model, when I will call it, this function will enable us to upload the image to the storage. But uploading the image to the storage is not enough. I can't do anything with it if I don't know the path or the link to my image inside the storage. That's why I need to know the link so I can update my user object by adding a new field called profile image URL where I got the URL. So when I return here an optional string, it's if I succeeded in uploading the image to the storage, I will return a string that is the path to my image. If I didn't, which is why it's optional, I will return nil. So first thing here in my update profile image, I will have guard let image URL, and it will be equals to image uploader dot upload profile image, and I will give it the UI image, of course, else return. Okay, now let's go back to where is okay, I forgot try wait, I apologize. And now let's go back to my image uploader and let's implement it. Okay, so first thing I need the image data, so it will be guard let image data equals UI image dot JPEG compression quality of 0.25, and by the way, for those who want optimal quality, you go for 1, but here I will go for 0.25 so it takes less space, else return nil. Okay, perfect. Now I want the storage ref, so it's the reference, so I will have let storage ref equals storage dot reference with path, it will be slash profile image slash uuid dot uid string. What this means is inside, let's go to the storage, I will have a folder called profile image, and inside my folder called profile image I will got a file with the name uuid.uuid3, so it will have a random string as file name. Okay, perfect. Now we will have do with try and catch, so do with a catch, and here it will be print failed to upload the image, and I will of course write the error, so error dot localized description, and I will return nil because we failed to upload the image. In the do here we will have equal try wait, and here we will have storage ref dot put data async, and we will give it the image data. That's all we need to upload the image, but now we need to get the URL so we can return it. So here we will have let URL equal storage ref dot download URL, and we will return the URL dot absolute string. Okay, perfect. That's all we need. And of course here for some reason I keep forgetting try wait. Okay, and that's all we need to return, to upload the image to storage and return the string, which is the first step. Now the second step is also very important. We need now to update our user by adding a new field or updating that new field. Okay, perfect. So we will go to our user service, and here we will add a new function. We will call it function update user profile image, and we will give it the image URL, and we will write with image URL of type string, and it will be async throws. And because I want my function to be executed on the main thread, I will add above it add main actor. And here first thing is as you know, if we go to my user, the first thing to access any user, I need the user ID. So I need my current user ID. To get it, it's very easy. It will be guard let uid equal auth current user uid else return. Okay, perfect. The second step is now to update our data with profile image URL. So to do it, it's also very easy. It will be try await and it will be firestore the collection, which is user the document with the document path of uid, and here it will be update data with, as you can see, a dictionary, and inside my dictionary it will be profile image URL, and it will be of type and the value will be image URL. Okay, perfect. And the last step is to update our current user profile image URL, so we don't have to fetch the data again. So it will be self.current user profile image URL equals our image URL, and that's all we need. So now we can just run our app, and hopefully before I run my app, I think I need to call this. So I need to go to my view model, and here I will need to have try await user service share update user profile image URL, and I will give it the image URL, and that's all we need. Now I can run the app, and finger crossed everything will be working. So let's hope everything will be working from the first time. And as you can see, and if everything works fine, we should have a new field called profile image URL, and the storage, inside the storage we should have a folder called profile image URL, profile image, and inside it we should have the file name and our image. So now the moment of truth, when I go here, and as you can see, we don't have any image. If I click on it and replace it now, let's replace it with this image. Okay, so perfect. Now the moment of truth, if I refresh this, I should find a folder that's perfect with profile image, and you see I got the file. If I go to Firestore database, I should have the path to my image, hopefully. And as you can see, I got also the path to my image, profile image URL with the link. That's perfect. That's all we wanted to do in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.